Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss subtraction of vectors. We can add or subtract scalar quantities based on the normal mathematical addition and subtraction rules. But we cannot add or subtract the vectors like that because vectors have both magnitude and direction. So the vectors can be add or subtract based on the vector algebraic rules. For addition of vectors, there are two rules are there. One is triangular law of vector addition and another is the parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay. So these two rules also we can apply for subtraction of vectors. I will show you how we can apply these two rules for subtraction of vectors. Okay, so I am going to consider two vectors. This is the B vector and this is the A vector. Okay, I need to find out the resultant, that is A vector minus B vector. I need to find it. Okay, so this I am going to write like this, that is A vector plus minus B vector. Okay, what is this minus B vector? Minus B vector is the negative vector of B vector. Negative vector means it has the same magnitude but in the opposite direction. So from this I can say that subtraction of two vectors is the addition of a vector and the negative vector. Okay, so we can, by using this, you see this now these two vectors are added. So now we can apply the triangular law or parallelogram law for addition of vectors. Okay, first of all I am going to apply the triangular law for the subtraction of vectors. Okay, triangular law. The triangular law of vector addition said that two vectors are considered the sides of a triangle taken in the same order. Then the resultant is the third side of a triangle taken in the opposite order. Okay, then that is the triangular law that we will apply here. So I am going to draw the first A vector. This is the A vector. Okay, so place the second vector in the same order. So first I am placing the B vector. This is the B vector. This is the tail of a vector. This is the head of a vector. So if we need to get the same order, the second vector, the B vector, that vector has to place that B vector tail has to place the A vector head. Okay, then if we will take the negative of B vector, means it are the same magnitude but in the opposite direction. So this is the minus B vector. Okay, so these two I am consider the sides of a triangle. Then the third side is a resultant. You see this tail head. Resultant you have to take in the opposite order. So if we will take again tail here, it is the same order. But based on the triangular law, it is saying that resultant has to taken in the opposite order. So R is equal to A vector plus minus B vector. That means A minus B. So this is the resultant. So this way we can find out the subtraction of two vectors by using triangular law. Okay, now I am going to apply parallelogram law. Parallelogram law. Okay, so I consider the two vectors, that is this is the B vector and this is the A vector. Okay, these two vectors are making an angle theta. Okay, the parallelogram law said that two vectors can be considered the adjacent side of a parallelogram drawn from a common point, then the resultant is the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through the common point. Okay, so I am going to take the B vector that is from the common one. These two are the drawn from this common point. Okay, so but we need to find out the A minus B. So we have to take the minus B vector. Minus B vector means same magnitude and it is in the opposite direction, and we have to draw from a common point. So from this itself I am drawing the B vector. This is the B vector. So this is the B vector. Sorry, this is the minus B vector. Okay, it's not this much length. This is the length. Okay, this is the minus B vector. This angle is what? The total angle is 180. This is theta. Then this angle is 180 minus theta. This angle is 180 minus theta. Okay, for a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this A vector I can draw like this. Okay, this is the A vector, and another B vector I can draw, minus B vector in this side. This is the minus B vector and this is the A vector. Okay, clear? Then the diagonal of this parallelogram is the resultant. That has to pass through from the common point. This is the common point. So this is the resultant. Okay, this R is equal to what? A vector plus minus B vector, that is A minus. Okay, now we will see the magnitude of the resultant. Okay, we already know if the two vectors are added, the resultant magnitude is equal to square root of A first vector square plus second vector square plus 2 into first vector into second vector into cosine of the angle between them. Here the first vector is A vector, its magnitude square, second vector that is B square plus angle between them is 180 minus theta. So the resultant R magnitude is A square plus B square plus this 180 cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this is minus into 2AB cos theta. Okay, this is the magnitude. Then what about the direction? So we can say that this is the direction. The resultant is making an angle alpha with the horizontal. Okay, so tan alpha is equal to B sin theta if it is theta is angle. But here it is 180 minus theta is angle divided by A plus B cos theta if theta is angle. But theta is not angle, 180 minus theta is angle. Okay. So now if you apply this, tan alpha is equal to B sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta, theta. So sin theta divided by cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. A minus B cos theta. This is the direction of the resultant. Okay, this is about the subtraction of two vectors.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like and share.